Hello guys. Today we will learn identify like identify the locators. Okay. So we can identify the multiple attributes of the same tag. So how means go here. So select here. Identify the element. Okay. Now here we have right. For this element we have ID, name, type. These many elements we have right. So this is also one kind of export we can identify. How means slash input. hmm, Input. So at the rate name equal to email. Okay. And also at the rate type equal to email. Okay. Slash input. A name equal to email. So email, no, one more double quotes I want to see. See, like this, we are going to select. Okay. Now copy this element. Here, what I'm going to say is here, right? Export, export using multiple attributes of the same tag to locate it, to locate the elements, to locate the elements. Okay. Here, what we are telling now, of the same tag, multiple elements of the same tag means. So this is the input tag, right? So here only we are entering multiple tags. Even for password also. See, password, no, name is password, type is password. See, identify the elements same for the password. Easy, right? This looks easy, right? I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.